We have gotten a lot of snow. It's really bright out here. Right now. This is like up to my, I don't know, almost up to my knees. It's tall. We're gonna see if we can find Miss Maple in this snow. Maple! Oh, she was out here yesterday. These are her little squirrely tracks. Maple! Maple! There's 2 trees she hangs out at. I don't know which one she's in today. Oh. Heard her.
I don't know, I'm not seeing her. A little closer.
Oh. I didn't realize I was still recording. I'm not seeing her right now. It might be a bit early for her. It's a little before noon, so we'll try again in a couple hours. Oh, I think we got a maple. Sitting up on that little perch. Is that you? Hello? Hello? Would you like a treat? Is that Maple? Is that you? You not coming down? Not coming down to say hey? I got your favorite. There she goes. Hey. Hello. Aren't you a sweetie? Aren't you a sweet? You know, are they in there? They are. They are. Oh. Back up the tree. Okay. Normally I just put a little dish down here or just throw a few of the nuts in on the ground, but there's so much snow. It'll just sink. It is so cold out here though. I think I'll just put, I only got a few left, 4 left. Right. There you go. There you go, Maple. I stuck them down there for you. I see you tomorrow, okay?